everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we will be unboxing the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro along with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Now before we do the unboxing, I do want to talk about all of the deals that you're able to get for all of these devices and accessories right now during this pre-order period, which is through August 25th. Because starting on August 26th, the pre-order deal is done and complete. All of these devices and accessories will be in store that you can walk in and purchase. So first off, when it comes down to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, you're able to get the memory upgrade. So you're able to get the 512 gigabyte for the price of $256. You're also able to get the standing cover with S Pen for free, as well as a up to $1,000 enhanced trade-in. Now for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, you're able to get the memory upgrade on them, which is you're able to get the 256 gig for the price of $128. You can get a select cover for free, and then you can also have up to a $900 enhanced trade-in. Now if you're only going for the Galaxy Watch 5 or Watch 5 Pro, there is a $125 trade-in credit towards any watch in any condition. And then for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros, you're able to get a $75 trade-in with any buds, plus a free wireless charger on them. And then lastly, if you get the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or the Flip 4, and then you bundle in the watch and the buds together, you're able to save 30% on these two accessories. Now let's unbox the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro along with the Galaxy Watch 5, and we'll also talk about the specs and some of the features of both of these, so if you guys are looking for these, you'll know a little bit more about them other than just the unboxing. But for the Galaxy Watch 5, I went with the Watch 5 Pro Titanium. Now this one is a big, thick daddy because it has a large battery on the inside. I also went with this little lighter beige pink looking band. I tried to go for more of a beige just because that is the color of the Z Fold 4 that I have along with this accessory. So this is the color of my Fold 4, and I wanted to have something that matches. It's a very comfortable band. This is the sport band. If I'm not a fan of the color, I could just simply change out for pretty much any of the bands that I have. I have several of these sitting at home. This is the one that I was currently using on the Watch 4, so I can simply switch it over. So this portion of this case here is going to be where your band is sitting. Don't really know exactly what this thing is here. Now one important thing is inside of this top lid here, you're going to notice another box. So inside of this box is going to be your charging disc. So this is how you're able to charge wirelessly the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. So this up here is going to be a very, very big, thick daddy. This thing is large. It's 45 millimeters. Also too, this thing has a weight of 46.5 grams. It is made for the display a 1.4 inch sapphire crystal, and this is a 450 by 450 Super AMOLED display. Now when I'm talking about this thing being a thick daddy, you have to remember this one has a very, very large battery on the inside. So this one has a 590 milliamp hour battery, and if we want to compare this versus the Watch 4, now you can see just how thick it is. Also, one of the things is that on the bottom of it, it is going to be flat right there. So this way you're going to have a really accurate reading. So versus having kind of a concave or a little tilted curved back, you're going to have one that is flat in the center. So this way it'll have a better reading of everything that you have of all the sensors in the middle there. But again, because it is going to be flat on this portion, a huge, super large battery, you're going to notice that this thing is going to be a pretty big, thick daddy. So just taking a look at just how thick this daddy is, one of the things I might mention is that I believe most men will probably gravitate for the Pro. Most women might not go for the Pro just because of the large size that this thing is. Unless if you are a woman that loves large watches, you might want to take a look at this one. This is thick. It is pretty big. It will take up the majority of your wrist. Now, if you're a man that has a smaller wrist and you don't want to have something that takes up everything, you might want to take a look at the non-Pro version because, again, it is thick. It is big, it is round, but it is going to look really good, and it has a very large battery life. Again, 590 milliamp hours. Now, there is two different colors you can get for this one. This one is the gray titanium. There's another one that you can get that is black titanium. Now, for the memory, you will have 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of internal storage. You're also going to have the fast charging, which is wireless charging. The durability of this one is 5 atmosphere plus that IP68 rating, so it is dust-proof, water resistant with a military standard of 810H. And then for the UI and operating system, this one is using Wear OS powered by Samsung, and this one is using the Samsung One UI Watch 4.5. Now I do want to have a close-up look of the charging disc. Now this one's from the Galaxy Watch 4, this one's from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and you can see that this one's actually significantly smaller. The newer version here is a smaller disc than what was there previously. I was kind of hoping that they were the same size only because I liked the silicone stand. If you own the Galaxy Watch 4, I will be placing this below the video inside the description, a little link that you can buy this. It's really nice. You just place it inside. You're able to have this thing sit up next to your bedside, charge your device, so this way it's not just sitting willy-nilly all loose and goosey, flopping around, being on the table. So this is a really nice way to have it convenient, really nice. Have it as like a little table, a little stand for the watch. But I do want to let you know that if you keep this little charging disc from the Watch 4, so you are still able to charge your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with the disc from the Watch 4, but it will be at a slower rate just because this one is using Type A, this little USB Type A. It's going to be a little bit slower than you using the disc from the Watch 5 Pro, which is going to be equipped with USB Type C. So anytime you have something with a Type C on one end or both ends, it's always quicker than one that is equipped with the USB A. So again, this one over here for the Watch 4 is significantly smaller. I kind of wish that they were the same size, so this way I can still use the stand. Now, if this stand is one that I'm able to find for the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, I'll let you guys know, and I'll place that below the video inside the description because this was very, very convenient. I will miss it, but hopefully I'll be able to find the stand for this little charging disc. Now for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros, these ones are slightly smaller. They're about 15% smaller than the Galaxy Buds Pros, those originals. Now you're also going to have a really good battery life on these ones too. With the active noise canceling, if you have them on, you'll get 5 hours of use on the buds themselves. And then with the case, it'll be a total of 18 hours. If you turn the active noise canceling off, you'll be able to get 8 hours in one use and a total of 29 hours with everything you're able to get from the case itself, because the case does charge the buds up. Now also too, there's going to be 3 different colors. You have graphite, which is the color we have here. We'll also have Bora purple as well as white. Now opening up and taking the lid off, remember always take a look underneath the lid. Inside of here might be some important details or even products such as charging cables. So inside of here, you're going to find the little quick start guide along with the warranty card. Underneath the buds right in here, if you open this up, this is where you're going to have a charging cable. So this one is going to be Type C to Type C for charging cable. And then inside of here is going to be the additional sizes of buds, because not everybody's ear canals are set up the exact same or the same sizes. So here you go. You have a couple other sizes you're able to use. Looks like this is probably going to be the small and large. And then on the device itself, inside of this little plastic, when you open this one up, this is probably going to have the medium size. So when you open this up, you can see right there, sound by AKG, green. This is just letting me know that this thing is open, ready to go. My computer actually just picked up that I'm able to pair with it. My other devices also lit up that there is a device I'm able to pair with. And this is what they're going to look like right here. I believe they're going to be very, very comfortable. I never threw these in just yet. I am very excited to test these things out, see, what they sound like, what the battery life is like, how they fit. I will come back with a more in-depth full review of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros, but I pretty much own all the rest of the earbuds from Samsung along with all the other competitors out there. So I'll give you guys a pretty good indicator of if these are improved, if you should get them, if you should not. So this was right here the unboxing and first look for me of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros along with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And pretty much all the setup and everything I got, I wanted to share with you guys here today. So hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.